Are you tired of the harsh glare and heat coming through your windows? Look no further than solar window shades to provide a sleek solution that enhances your space and keeps you comfortable year-round. These innovative shades are designed to deliver a multitude of benefits, uses, features, and functions that will revolutionize the way you think about window coverings. Solar window shades offer a range of advantages that make them an ideal choice for any home or office. With their advanced solar technology, they effectively reduce heat and block harmful UV rays, allowing you to create a more comfortable environment while safeguarding your furniture and flooring from sun damage. This not only saves you money by reducing energy costs, but also promotes energy efficiency and sustainability. What sets solar window shades apart is their versatility. Whether you want to protect your privacy, control the amount of natural light entering a room, or add a touch of style to your space, these shades have got you covered. They come in a variety of colors, patterns, and opacities to suit any decor and personal preference. Moreover, the user-friendly features of solar window shades provide effortless operation and customization. From motorized options to cordless controls, you can easily adjust the shades to your desired level of light and privacy with just the push of a button or the twist of a wand. Discover the endless possibilities and transform your living or work environment with solar window shades. Experience the difference they can make in enhancing your space, improving energy efficiency, and adding a touch of elegance to your windows.